Hello and welcome to my channel, where I share tips and tricks on how to achieve financial freedom, personal development, and make money online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to overcome your fears and realize that they are not real. Yes, you heard me right. Your fears are not real. They are just illusions that you create in your mind based on your past experiences, beliefs, or influences. By overcoming your fears, you can free yourself from their negative effects and live a more fulfilling and successful life. In this video, you will learn what are fears and how they affect your life, how to identify and understand your fears, how to challenge and overcome your fears, how to use positive thinking, affirmations, and visualization to reinforce your confidence and courage, the resources and tools to help you overcome your fears and change your life. So, if you're ready to learn how to overcome your fears and realize that they are not real, then let's get started. The first thing you need to know is what are fears and how they affect your life. Fears are unpleasant emotions that you feel when you perceive a threat or danger, whether it is real or imagined. Fears can be triggered by various situations or objects, such as heights, spiders, public speaking, failure, rejection, or death. Fears are normal and natural. They are part of our survival instinct that helps us avoid harm and protect ourselves. However, when fears become excessive, irrational, or persistent, they can interfere with our daily functioning and well-being. They can cause stress, anxiety, panic attacks, phobias, or other mental health issues. Fears can also limit our potential and sabotage our success. They can prevent us from taking action and pursuing our goals. They can make us doubt ourselves and our abilities. They can make us miss out on opportunities and experiences. They can make us unhappy and dissatisfied with our lives. The second thing you need to do is to identify and understand your fears. To overcome your fears, you need to know what they are and where they come from. You need to be aware of the thoughts and feelings that trigger your fears. You also need to be aware of the consequences that your fears have on your life. To identify and understand your fears, you need to ask yourself questions like, what am I afraid of? When did I start feeling this fear? What causes or worsens this fear? How does this fear make me feel or behave? How does this fear affect my life? By asking these questions, you can discover the root causes and effects of your fears. You can also recognize the patterns and triggers of your fears. You can also evaluate the rationality and validity of your fears. For example, if you have a fear of public speaking, you can ask yourself, what am I afraid of? I am afraid of speaking in front of a large audience. When did I start feeling this fear? I started feeling this fear when I was in school and had to give a presentation. What causes or worsens this fear? This fear is caused or worsened by the thought of being judged, criticized, or embarrassed by others. How does this fear make me feel or behave? This fear makes me feel nervous, anxious, or scared. It makes me avoid or procrastinate on public speaking opportunities. How does this fear affect my life? This fear affects my life by limiting my career prospects, social interactions, and personal growth. By identifying and understanding your fear of public speaking, you can see that it is based on negative assumptions and expectations that may not be true or realistic. You can also see that it has negative impacts on your life that may not be worth it. The third thing you need to do is to challenge and overcome your fears. To overcome your fears, you need to face them and move forward. You need to do whatever it is that scares you, even if you start small. You need to prove yourself wrong and show yourself that you can do it. To challenge and overcome your fears, you need to use logic and evidence. You need to question the validity and accuracy of your fearful thoughts. You need to look for facts or examples that support or contradict your fearful thoughts. You also need to look for alternative or positive ways of thinking that are more helpful and realistic. For example, if you want to challenge and overcome your fear of public speaking, you can use this formula. I am afraid of plus verb plus adjective plus noun plus time frame. For instance, I am afraid of speaking in front of a large audience tomorrow. To challenge this fearful thought, you can ask yourself, is this thought true or false? False. I have spoken in front of large audiences before. What evidence do I have to support or refute this thought? I have the skills, knowledge, and preparation to speak in front of a large audience. I have received positive feedback and applause from previous audiences. How does this thought make me feel or behave? This thought makes me feel anxious and stressed. It makes me want to cancel or postpone the speech. What would happen if I changed this thought? If I changed this thought, I would feel more confident and calm. I would deliver the speech and enjoy the experience. What would I say to a friend who had this thought? I would say, you can do this. You have spoken in front of large audiences before. You have the skills, knowledge, and preparation to speak in front of a large audience. You are a great speaker and people will love your speech. By challenging your fearful thought with these questions, you can replace it with a positive one. I can speak in front of a large audience tomorrow. This positive thought will make you feel more confident and calm. It will make you deliver the speech and enjoy the experience. The fourth thing you need to do is to use positive thinking, affirmations, and visualization to reinforce your confidence and courage. These are powerful techniques that can help you change your thoughts and change your life. Positive thinking is the process of focusing on the positive aspects of your situation or outcome. It helps you create an optimistic and hopeful mindset that motivates you to take action and overcome your fears. Affirmations are positive statements that you say to yourself to affirm your desired state or outcome. They help you create and practice positive thoughts. They also help you overcome negative thoughts and doubts. Visualization is the process of imagining your desired state or outcome in your mind. It helps you create a clear and vivid picture of what you want to achieve or experience. It also helps you activate your emotions and senses. To use these techniques, you need to do the following. Choose a specific goal or situation that you want to improve or change. Write down some positive thoughts that reflect your desired state or outcome. Repeat your positive thoughts to yourself every morning and night. Visualize your desired state or outcome in as much detail as possible. Feel the emotions and sensations that you would feel if you achieved or experienced it. By using these techniques, you can change your thoughts and change your life. You can program your mind for success and happiness. You can also manifest your dreams and desires. The fifth and final thing you need to do is to use the resources and tools that I have prepared for you to help you overcome your fears and change your life. These resources and tools include a free ebook that explains how to overcome fear and anxiety in 7 useful tips, a free worksheet that helps you identify and challenge negative thoughts, a free guide that helps you create and practice positive thoughts, a free audio that helps you use affirmations, visualization, and gratitude, a free video that shows you how I overcame my fears and changed my life. You can access these resources and tools by clicking on the links below. They are completely free and easy to use. They will help you overcome your fears and change your life in no time. So, these are the 5 things that you need to do to overcome your fears and realize that they are not real. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, let me know in the comments which thing you are going to do or if you have any questions or suggestions. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.